shapes are fun, let's play today. Animals will show us the way. Circle, square, triangle too. Let's dance with shapes, me and you.
Circle is the turtle, rolling around. With a shell so round, he spins on the ground. He twists and turns with a happy glide. Circle turtle's roll is hard to hide.
Square is the bear, stomping the ground. With paws so big and movement so sound.
He stops and stomps with a mighty roar.
Square bear's dance is hard to ignore. A circle turtle rolls around. Square bear stomps on the ground. Let's dance with shapes, big and small. Animals teach us one and all.
Triangle is the fox, tail in the air, dashing in a triangle shape everywhere. With a flick of the tail and a jump so high, triangle fox can touch the sky.
Rectangle is the giraffe, tall and grand. With long legs moving across the land. With a step so long and a graceful stride, rectangle giraffe takes a walk with pride. A circle turtle rolls around. Square bear stomps on the ground. Let's dance with shapes, big and small. Animals teach us one and all. Triangle is the fox, tail in the air.
Diamond is the bird, flying so neat, flapping her wings in a diamond beat. With a twist and a turn, she spins in the air. Diamond bird's dance is full of flair.
Heart is the bunny, hopping with grace. With little pink ears, hopping in place. A heart-shaped jump, she bounces so high. Heart bunny's dance will make you sigh. A circle turtle rolls around. Square bear stomps on the ground. Let's dance with shapes, big and small. Animals teach us one and all.
Diamond bird flaps with flair. Heart bunny hops everywhere.